Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin here, and I'm gonna show you the Scottish Terrier stuff that I made. It's made with clay. I'm gonna show you the Scottie dogs that I made at my school. I made this one. I made this one in art. It's a white Scottie dog. It's really cool. Look how cute this one is. Yep, this one's made with glass. It's white. It's really nice. And I also made that one. Here's another white Scottie dog. It's really cute. And this one's ear is missing, but that's okay. It's good like this. He's really cute. It's made with glass. And here's a black one. It's a black Scottie dog. Looks like this. Yep. It's a black Scottie dog. Some of the legs are white. It's good like that. It's really cute. And I also made a Scottie dog face. It looks like this. It's a Scottie dog face. He wears a hat. Yep, it's a Scottie dog face. And I also made a white Scottie dog face. It's a hanger too. Yep, it's a hanger. It's a really cute Scottie dog hanger. And I also made that one. It's really cute. Alright guys, here's all my Scottie dogs that I made at my school. So goodbye and have a great day.